Next in CSS, we are going to design this thing, this box. When we are hovering our mouse over this box is going to rotate 360 degrees. Now to design this thing, this is our basic HTML code, and here in body section I'm giving paragraph tag class equals to, I'm giving class 1 here, and we can type any message here. So I'm writing rotate when hover. In head section we are giving style tag, and within this style tag I'm creating class 1, and here I'm giving border to 1 pixel solid black, width I'm giving is 400 pixel, height I'm giving is 400 pixel, background color I'm selecting is aqua, border radius I'm giving is 5 pixel, box shadow is 5 pixel horizontal shadow we want, 5 pixel vertical shadow, 5 pixel blur effect, and color is blue. Here we are going to select some shade of blue. I want that color of text should be white. Now we want to put that box in the center of screen, so I'm giving margin to auto. This is going to center that box horizontally but not vertically. For that, to vertical center the box, I'm giving margin top to 150 pixel. This is going to center vertically. Save it and go live. So this is our box right now. It is not in center, so here I'm changing it from 150 to 100. Okay, now we want that whenever we are hovering our mouse over this box, it should rotate 360 degrees. So here we have to give our classes 1, and when we are hovering our mouse over this class, then we want that box should rotate. So we have to give transform property rotate, and here in bracket we have to give 360 degree. Now we have to specify amount of time it will take to complete that 360-degree rotation. So we can give here transition should take place in 3 seconds. Yeah, here I'm giving 5 seconds. Save and go live. So it is going to take 5 seconds to rotate 360 degree. Now here we can give many other things like color of text should change from white to blue, font size of text should become 50 pixel, background color of that box should change from aqua to uh, this color. Save it and go live. So when we are hovering over it, color is changing from aqua to this purple, and font size has also changed.